Nice to meet you. In this session, for those who are new to Binance, from creating an account to setting up Google security, I will explain everything in an easy and simple way. Please follow along slowly while watching the video. First, I will walk you through how to create a Binance account. Start by installing the Binance app on your phone. And once the installation is complete, open the app. Press the sign up button to start creating your account. You can create an account using an email address or a phone number. Please choose whichever method you prefer. After checking the agreement box below, press the continue button. A verification code will be sent to the email address or phone number you entered. Please enter the verification code you received. Now set a password. The password must include at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and number, and must be at least 8 characters long. Now you need to register an inviter. Since you cannot add an inviter after the account creation is completed, you must press the yes button at this step. When the referral ID input field appears, please enter BB333. Then you can receive a 20% discount on Binance fee, and various bonuses. Please make sure to enter it before completing the registration. Next, I will walk you through KYC verification. To use various features on Binance such as deposits, withdrawals, and trading, you must complete KYC verification. First, select the country where you currently reside. Then proceed with identity verification. At the bottom of the screen there is a list of document types you can verify with. Please choose one identification document you want to use. I will choose a passport. Once your ID is ready, press Take Pictures. When the camera screen appears, place the passport information page within the frame, and take a clear photo without reflections or shadows. After the ID verification is completed, the face verification step follows. Position your face within the frame, and follow the instructions to nod your head or blink your eyes. Once this process is completed, the KYC request will be submitted. And the review process will take about 1 hour. After the review is finished, the account verification status will change to verified. Finally, I will walk you through how to set up Google security. Please go to the Binance home screen. Press the Binance icon at the top left, and then press the arrow at the top right. To strengthen account security, select Security. To activate Google security, select Authenticator app. Press the Enable button. Complete the email or phone verification. Then the Authenticator setup screen will appear. Here you can see that a 16-digit key for Binance has been generated. Please copy this 16-digit key. Next, install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. After installing, open the Google Authenticator app and press the plus button at the bottom right. Select Enter a setup key. Now enter Binance in the code name field and paste the 16-digit key copied from the Binance app into the Your Key field. Press Add below. Then in the Google Authenticator app, a 6-digit code will be generated under the name Binance. After copying this 6-digit code, return to the Binance app. Press the Next button below. And in the Authenticator app code input field, paste the copied 6-digit code. Once this process is completed, Google Authenticator security will be successfully activated. In this session, for those who are new to Binance, from creating an account to setting up Google security, I explained everything in a simple and easy way. If you have any questions while following the video, please feel free to ask in the comments anytime. Your subscriptions and likes greatly support video creation. Thank you for watching.